Welcome to There We Chasing Clickbait or Courting a Blockbuster. The Eagles, TJ Watt, and a trade that could shake the NFL. Are we simply filling airtime with fantasy? Or is the NFL world on the brink of witnessing one of the most earth-shaking trades in recent memory? That's the question echoing through the passionate sports media halls of Philadelphia, where 94 WP lit the fuse on a conversation that's now igniting fans from the Delaware River to the heart of Steelers Nation. The spark? A bold hypothetical. The Philadelphia Eagles, already famous for pulling trigger-happy power moves, consider making a daring play for none other than TJ Watt, Pittsburgh's defensive dynamo and a name that's become synonymous with black and gold dominance since the Troy Polamalu era. The initial suggestion came during a cross-station dialogue between WP's Joe Giglio and Andrew Filipponi of Pittsburgh's 93.7 The Fan. The proposal? Philly sends 24-year-old edge rusher Nolan Smith Jr., plus a day 3 pick, to the Steel City in return for what currently locked in a contract cold war with the Steelers. At first glance, this sounds like standard summer sports talk, something to chew on between minicamp and training camp. But then came Elliot Shorr-Parks, a trusted voice in Philly football circles, throwing fuel on the fire with an enthusiastic endorsement. The more I think about it, he said, the more I believe the Eagles should give up a promising young player and a pick for Watt. The championship window is now, adding what makes everyone better. This isn't just another off-season fantasy. It's the kind of jaw-dropping scenario that feels tailor-made for the Howie Roseman era, bold gambles, high-stakes trades, and win-now urgency. The Eagles GM has made it a habit of betting on star power, from the A.J. Brown heist on draft night to a revolving door of impact acquisitions that transformed Philly into contenders overnight. But even in the age of swing-big team building, this potential deal begs a critical question. Is it genius or sheer lunacy? Let's talk about the prize TJ Watt isn't just a good player, he's generational. Since entering the league in 2017, he's racked up an astonishing 96.5 sacks, topped the NFL in sacks twice, claimed the 2021 Defensive Player of the Year award, and earned 5 Pro Bowl nods. He doesn't just impact games, he reshapes them. He's the kind of player who commands double teams, shifts blocking schemes, and forces offenses to adapt. But there's a hefty price tag, $40 million per year, to be exact. Watt reportedly wants a record-setting contract that would make him the highest-paid non-quarterback in NFL history. The Steelers, famously frugal with their spending outside the QB position, now face a brutal dilemma: pony up and risk future cap health, or watch their defensive centerpiece walk, or worse, force a trade. The Eagles are always listening Philadelphia, never shy about chasing star talent, looms as a natural suitor. Their front office philosophy is simple. If a superstar is even remotely available, they're in the mix. And with a wide-open NFC and a roster built for the present, the argument for going all in is tempting. But as WP's Aiden Kaufman recently pointed out in a sharply worded column, this hypothetical could become a masterclass in short-term thinking with long-term consequences. Trading Nolan Smith for TJ Watt, he wrote, would be organizational malpractice. Strong words. But let's dig deeper. The case for Nolan Smith, the 30th pick of the 2023 draft, is only scratching the surface. After a quiet rookie regular season, he erupted in the playoffs with 3.5 sacks, flashing speed, bend, and burst that drew comparisons to a young Von Miller. He's raw, yes, but he's 24 on a rookie deal, and his ceiling is sky high. And that contract? A fraction of Watt's asking price, leaving Philly the flexibility to extend young stars like Jordan Davis, Jalen Carter, and others down the line. Watt, by contrast, is 29. And while still dominant, pass rushers tend to fall off around age 31. Committing a massive slice of the salary cap to a player nearing the downside of his prime could handcuff the team's ability to stay competitive across the board. Money talks, and sometimes it says no, adding what wouldn't just be a splash, it'd be a financial tidal wave. The Eagles are already navigating cap crunches, with longtime linchpin Fletcher Cox retired and star edge Hasten Reddick angling for a new deal. Jalen Hurts, meanwhile, is locked into a mega deal of his own. To accommodate what, the team would have to restructure contracts, shed salaries, or rely on void years, a cap game that has sunk more than one Super Bowl hopeful. Identity crisis? Beyond dollars and cents, there's the issue of identity. Philly's defense isn't built around one elite disruptor. It's a rotating wave of depth, youth, and fresh legs. Think back to the 2017 Super Bowl team. Relentless pressure from a unit, not a single star. Dropping what into that mix could bring fireworks or imbalance. There's no doubt. What is a future Hall of Famer, a transformative player? But the Eagles already have a fearsome defensive line, a potent pass rush, and a core of young, ascending talent. The real concern isn't what brings, but what his acquisition might take away. Legacy Moves this debate isn't just about players, it's about philosophy. Do you sacrifice a promising future to supercharge the now? Or stay the course with youth, cost control, and sustainable team building? For Pittsburgh, trading Watt could mark the end of an era, a difficult admission that even legends bow to the business side of the sport. For Philadelphia, acquiring him would be a declaration. We are going for it, right now, no regrets. And so, the discourse rages. Talk shows can't stop buzzing. Social media stirs. Mock trades fly across fan forums. And behind the scenes, you can bet both front offices are monitoring the storm. Because in the NFL, everything is about timing. And sometimes, the biggest moves are the ones you don't make. A new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.